Welcome to Manny's Automotive. Today we have a 2022 Kia Telluride, and I'm going to be showing you how to replace your cabin air filter. The first thing we're going to do is go to the passenger side of the vehicle, pop open your glove box, and then open your passenger door so you can access this pin right over here. This pin is simple to remove. You just grab it and pull outwards. Then you're going to find these two retainer clips. You have one here and one here. To remove them, you're going to turn them counterclockwise. So this one towards the back and this one towards you. Then the glove box falls down and it exposes where the cabin air filter is located in this box. There's two tabs, one here and one here. You're going to push these down, push down, pull up, stick your finger in here and just pull out that cabin air filter. Which, wow, yeah, you could definitely see this one was dirty. Then you're going to grab your replacement filter. Some of them come with this extra little flap. I'll show you what to do with that. Always make sure the arrow points down for airflow. So we're going to slide this bad boy into the little box. Once we get it all the way in there, that little flap, you just fold up. Make sure it's all the way folded up and close the box. Air filter installed. Lift up the glove box. Grab these little tabs again. Now you're going to turn these clockwise. Go to the other side. Oh, drop that one. Start it in clockwise. Installed. Then you're going to go over to this side. You're going to pull this down so you can get that little safety clip back in there. And you have successfully changed your cabin air filter. If you find this video useful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day.